Alright boys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for my inconsistent uploads, but I'm going to try and be more regular from now on. But I don't know, I can't promise anything, that's all I'm saying. And I can't promise that it'll be any good. But yeah, in this video today, I've got a new modification to install to my car. And it is a ForgeMotorsport short shifter. I've been looking at one of these for quite a while, to be honest. And yeah, I just thought, why not get one? So yeah, I'm going to install it in my car and see how much of a difference it makes. So let's get to it. So boys, I am now in the car and I will show you the standard shift. Sorry if the car's a bit dirty. There you go, the throw is quite long. In first and second and stuff, it's not bad, but when you go into fourth and sixth and stuff, you know what I mean? Or second, it goes quite far back. So yeah, there's the standard shift, and we will see what it's like once I've installed the other one. Alright boys, I'm back a few weeks later with a bit of a cold, but I finally got this little fucker off. This is the standard, like, fucking throw arm, whatever you want to call it. How I got it off, I was trying to use WD-40 and pull it off. It was just not coming off at all, so I just bought some of these off I think it was Amazon or something, for £12, like little bearing pullers. And it was so simple to get off with this. You just hook these round, hook them round there like that, and I just fucking tightened the top bit using a 13mm, and then it just pulled it straight up, proper easy. So yeah, if you want to do this, I'd definitely recommend getting some of these for £12. Makes it so much easier than trying to like yank it off and stuff. But yeah, I'll get on to fitting it now, fitting the new one. Check, there we go boys, it is back in. Once you actually get the old arm off, it's so easy to actually like put the new one in. Because all you do is you clip that new little clip to the ball on the new bit, and then what you do is you put it in like diagonal like that to get this underneath that little gap there. It's so easy to do. If you do it, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, once that's in, you just pull this up and down to line it up with a little hole, and you just put the little Allen key bolt thing in, and then put your little nut on the end, and then you're sorted. And then obviously put that back over the top. It's so easy to do. So there we go boys, I have officially fitted it, and it is way better. Look how short that shift is now. It hardly goes forward now. That's off at that. So that's so much better. I'll put the before in and then after back to back, and then you can actually see the difference. Yeah, because that's a massive difference.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear.
So yeah boys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, if you can enjoy it. But yeah, once you get the standard arm off, it's so easy to put the new one on, you know what I mean? The only problem is getting the old one off, so definitely get some of them pullers, them bearing pullers, because they make it so much easier. I definitely recommend them. But yeah, if you need any advice on anything to do with fitting it or whatever, just drop it in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one boys, when I'm fitting my intercooler hopefully, or getting it fitted. So yeah, catch you in a bit boys, see you later.